Welcome to the heart of car manufacturing, the factory floor. This is where the magic happens, where raw materials are transformed into the vehicles we see on the roads every day. It's a place where imagination meets engineering, where every idea is meticulously planned and executed by skilled engineers, and robots work their magic. These mechanical marvels are the backbone of modern manufacturing. We're talking about massive machines, sparks flying, and metal bending. The sheer power and precision are awe-inspiring. It's a symphony of industrial might. Every movement is choreographed to perfection, creating a seamless production process. First stop, the body shop. This is where the journey begins for every car. Here, flat sheets of metal are transformed into the car's skeleton, the frame. It's a process that requires both brute force and delicate precision. Giant robotic arms, like something out of a sci-fi movie, swing into action. They move with a grace that belies their size. They lift, weld, and shape the metal with incredible precision. Each movement is calculated to ensure the highest quality. These robots are programmed to follow a specific design, ensuring every weld is perfect. The level of detail is astonishing. The result? A rock-solid frame ready for the next stage. It's the foundation upon which the rest of the car is built. It's a testament to the power of automation and the ingenuity of the human minds behind it. The blend of technology and human expertise is what makes this process truly remarkable. Next up, the car frame takes a trip to the paint shop. Forget paintbrushes and rollers. This is high-tech territory. Robots rule this domain, ensuring a flawless and even coat every single time. The car frame enters a special booth, sealed off to protect the environment. Robotic arms, equipped with spray guns, go to work, applying paint with pinpoint accuracy. These aren't your average spray guns, though. They use special techniques to minimize overspray and waste, making the process eco-friendly. The result? A car body gleaming with a vibrant, uniform color. It's a mesmerizing sight, watching the robots work the magic in a choreographed dance of precision and efficiency. Now, the painted car body moves to the general assembly line, the heart of the operation. Here, it transforms from a shell into a fully functioning vehicle. This is where the real magic happens. This stage is a carefully choreographed ballet of human skill and robotic precision. Robots, guided by computers, install heavy components like engines and dashboards with incredible accuracy. Meanwhile, skilled workers lend their dexterity to tasks requiring a human touch, like connecting intricate wiring and installing delicate interior components. It's a beautiful example of collaboration, humans and machines working in perfect harmony. Each plays a crucial role in bringing the car to life. Section 4, ensuring perfection, the final test of quality and safety. Before any car leaves the factory, it undergoes rigorous testing. This is a crucial step in our manufacturing process, ensuring that every vehicle meets our stringent standards. This isn't just a quick once-over, we're talking about a meticulous examination to guarantee quality and safety. Every detail is scrutinized, from the smallest component to the overall build of the car. Automated systems equipped with sensors and cameras inspect every nook and cranny. These advanced technologies help us detect even the slightest imperfections that might be missed by the human eye. They check for imperfections in the paint, ensure all parts are properly fitted, and verify the functionality of every single component. This thorough inspection process is essential to maintain the high quality our customers expect. The car even goes for a spin on a simulated road, testing its handling and performance. This simulated environment allows us to assess how the car will perform in real-world conditions. It's like a final exam for the car, and only the vehicles that pass with flying colors make it out the door. This final quality check is the last hurdle before the car is deemed ready for our customers. This meticulous attention to detail ensures that every car that rolls off the assembly line meets the highest standards of excellence. Our commitment to quality and safety is unwavering, and it shows in every vehicle we produce. Section 5, driving into the future innovation in the car industry. From the welding robots in the body shop, which meticulously join car frames with precision and speed, ensuring the structural integrity of every vehicle, to the precision painting robots in the paint shop, which apply flawless coats of paint, giving each car a perfect finish and protecting it from the elements. These robots work tirelessly, ensuring consistency and quality in every vehicle that rolls off the line. and the collaborative robots on the assembly line, which work alongside human workers to assemble car parts with incredible efficiency and precision. The car manufacturing process is a marvel of modern technology. And the innovation doesn't stop there. As technology advances, we can expect even more automation, smarter robots, and even more efficient processes. The future of car manufacturing is exciting, with advancements like three-dimensional printing, which allows for the creation of complex parts with unprecedented accuracy and speed, and artificial intelligence poised to revolutionize the industry. AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data to optimize production processes, predict maintenance needs, and even design new car models. So the next time you see a car cruising down the road, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it took to get there. A journey powered by human ingenuity and the tireless work of robots, which have become indispensable partners in the quest for automotive excellence.